Hello, hi, and Darshan Namaste everyone. I hope you all doing good. This time we are going to visit Maria Island. Maria Island is one of the best, beautiful and famous island in Tasmania. It's also famous island from the tourist point of view. First of all, we are going to drive from here in Hobart to Triabunna because we don't have a direct road access from here to Maria Island. So around approximately 85 kilometer far from here to Tribuna and around 1 hour 7 minute drive we will get there in Tribuna. Whenever we get there in Tribuna we'll buy ferry ticket, and after that we'll catch ferry, and around half an hour ferry trip we'll get there in Mari Island. So let's go and check it out. We are here in Sorel, and Mari Island is located in the east. That's why we're heading to the east. We are here in Tribuna. This is the ticket counter. We are going to buy ticket from here to get Maria Island ticket. Okay. Yes, ticket counter. Per person.
Yes.
The ticket. This is the map. This is the ferry we are catching up and going to the Mari Island. Okay. This is national park, that's why we need to pay. We have national park pass, we don't need to pay. Good. Okay. Hey. Okay. Can you sit inside? Inside the ferry, there's a coffee shop, we can have a coffee. Finally, we're here in Mari Island. Welcome to Mari Island. Okay, finally we're here in Maria Island. And so nice. It's cloudy, but weather is pretty good. Around 24-degree temperature.
Sorry.
That's alright. Information center up there. Did you get that, man? Cycling and camping we can do here. Look. Walking 2 to 3 hours, cycling now. Oh dear. And wildlife. We can see the map.
What do they do?
Everything, whatever. Ah.
We're walking on the bundle.
Okay, baby. Today's weather is really perfect. It's cloudy. It's not too hot, not too cold. 24-degree temperature. Really nice. Let's see. Okay, we are going to do this one. Number 3, Fossil Cliff. Circuit 2 to 3 hours. 45 minutes, 2 hours, 4 kilometers. This way. Goose. Look at the goose. Trees. Oh, it's very quiet. It's one of the famous national park. Okay, still we are going further, walking further. How many hours we are going to walk? 3 hours? 2 to 3 hours? Okay. Oh, it's open area. Looks very nice and cool. This is the clear way. It's too cloudy, but really nice. And ta-da! We're here. Coastal Cliff. There we go. Beautiful. Can go more up there. Go further. We came from this way and now we are going this way. We are on the top of the hill. How are you feeling?
Not bad.
Not bad.
Yeah. Okay.
Now we are walking down. Everyone is walking down. Okay, we're here in Fossil Cliff Quarry. Okay. Gonna go down a little bit. Ta-da! Big fella, how are you, mate? How are you? I think it did happy before. There's a wallaby. Wallaby, wallaby, wallaby. Wallaby Island.
Kangaroo. Wombats.
Some bird.
That's
And Fossil Cliff. And beautiful nature.
It's been dry though.
Yeah. That's all. It's hard to walk, but it's okay. The island map. Alright. We are up there. And we're going this way. There we go. Wombat with the baby. magpie. Magpie up there. अलिअलि पानी पर्दैछ तर पनि हामी अगाडि बढ्दैछौँ रमाइलो भइरहेछ टेम्परेचर इज पर्फेक्ट यति जाडो पनि छैन गरम छैन अनि बादल लागेकोले अनि हल्का पानी परेकोले एकदम शीतल भइरहेछ Painted cliff. This way. I think that one is the painted cliff. Maybe that one is the painted cliff. Nice wave. And the breeze. We are very close to the cliff. Over there.
इस तरह से क्या पानी ले बनाते क्या इसे इतना तो ज़्यादा ना तो ये
Please.
saying something once like
Look at the cliff. Look, lots of layer. We have seen Cliff. Now we're not going further. We're heading back. It started raining. And a bit hungry and a bit tired. I reckon. Okay, it's time for lunch.
how's that time
What you gonna have?
spring roll
Kangaroo and roasted chicken.
and some chutney I'm in Harrison sauce
Look. Very nice. Now we visited Painted Cliff and was not bad. It's good, pretty good. And we had seen a couple of wombats. It's amazing. We had a lunch and going back. It's raining. Our visit is almost completed. We didn't bring any jacket, any umbrella, and windproof. We must wait. Whew. Amazing visit.
we didn't even get
Island.
the pipe though
Yeah.
you forgot to put the
Yeah.
okay
Yeah. Okay, we're going back.
Just watch your steps, sir. Don't worry about filming.
Finally. We're back from Maria Island. Back to Triabunna. Back to Triabunna, Bobby. That's it. We are heading back to Hobart. It's raining. And it's from Triabunna.